SpecChem's Repcon 928 is a single-component, polymer-modified, fiber-reinforced, rapid-setting concrete repair mortar with corrosion inhibitor for use on concrete floors, highway pavements, bridge decks, and other applications requiring early resumption of traffic or use. Repcon 928 is formulated to meet the requirements of ASTM C928 packaged, dry, rapid hardening cementitious material for concrete repair. Repcon 928 incorporates the latest in polymer technology, offering superior durability, performance, and ease of application without liquid activators for horizontal and vertical form and pour applications. The tools required are a heavy-duty mixing drill, an empty 5-gallon mixing pail, a float, hand trowel, or squeegee, safety glasses, gloves, cleanup water, and brushes. The concrete must be sound and free of all foreign material, including oil, grease, dust, latents, or other surface contaminants. For maximum durability, saw cut the perimeter of the repair 1/8 inch deeper than the depth of the repair, creating a notched, reinforced edge. Mechanically abrade the surface by an engineered-approved method in accordance with ICRI 310.2 guideline to a minimum CSP 5. All concrete surfaces to be repaired should be in a saturated surface damp condition with no standing water on the surface. Add the recommended amount of clean water into the container, followed by slowly adding the Repcon 928 powder. Mix with a low-speed drill or mortar mixer. Mix 2 to 3 minutes. Mix only what can be applied within the setting period. Depending on the area dimensions, Repcon 928 can be applied in applications from 1 inch to 6 inches in a lift without extension. Apply a scrub coat of the properly mixed repair mortar by scrubbing a thin layer into the pre-dampened substrate with a stiff brush or sponge float. Place the repair mortar immediately before the bond coat dries. Trowel or screed Repcon 928 firmly into the prepared area, ensuring intimate contact with the bonding surface. Finish Repcon 928 level with the surrounding concrete and allow to take an initial set. After the initial set, when Repcon 928 is surface hard, finish by hand troweling. Excessive troweling is not required. Finish the repair material to the desired texture to best match the surrounding concrete. Do not add additional water to the surface during finishing. Lightly spray spec film as a finishing aid on this and any other polymer-modified mortars to assist in finishing. Repcon 928 is self-curing under most conditions. In severe drying conditions, use an